How we doing, Gunners? And I wanted to take a minute that I finally walking again, and I wanted to do a quick video in the garden, and wanted to show you guys a little bit of what's growing on, and you guys gonna see that it's looking beautiful. And despite me being out of the garden for literally over a month, I just come outside here and there, not much. Nature is taking care of me. I lost a lot of tomatoes, and the manguitos keep dropping because of the drought, but everything is looking, it's looking nice, to be honest with you. So bear with me, and I'm gonna show you. So come over my full forest and let's check it out. You'll see, you'll love it, I promise. So I'm gonna start in a different part that I never start. Right here I got my San Paulo, Costa apple, my Miami sour sop. This is a jackfruit from seed that it was gifted to me, and I kind of cut it a little bit. This is another sour sop, Guanábana. This one I bought at Lowe's, and they're both doing good. I protect them in winter. Obviously, I haven't get fruit though, so we'll see. This one is a Rollinia Deliciosa in her new home. Right here I got Manzano bananas. This is the Double Mahoy banana, another rack. And this is a Cavendish banana. I'm about to see if my son wanna cut it for me, because I cannot do much these days. But as you can see, it's ready. I got another rack of bananas in here, another one here. This is my Gary mango. It flowered like crazy, but it dropped all the fruits, every single one, but that one in there. I come outside every day and I say maybe, we'll see. Here I got the Alfonso mango. I have a few grafting here. I got a Gary grafting, I got a Sugar Love grafting the other side, but as you can tell, it's dropping all the manguitos, guys. Look at that, every single one. Right now I think it's holding like 2, and I just keeping my fingers crossed. I mean, it's blushing, and it's flushing beautiful, so we'll see. Right here I got like a little jungle. This one, this is a fire bush. The bees, the hummingbirds, they love it. So this is my fantastic avocado, and it's holding a few avocados, if you guys can see. It's been a minute since I don't give you a tour, and it's flushing some new growth also. So here is kind of like my nursery. I got kind of little trees from seed that I planted. I got sugar apple, Camito, which is star apple. I have Costa apple, you name it. I have all kind. Look at this bumblebee chilling. Can you see it? She's taking a break. She's going 9-9 in there. You got to love nature. Right here I got my lychee. This is a Mauricio, and this tomato is called plum drop tomato. Let me tell you something, I should have planted like 1 or 2 instead of 6, because that thing is a jungle. Right here I still have some cabbage and some broccoli, tomatoes. This is a moringa. Over there I got more broccoli. I got some cachucha peppers, and kind of like a jungle in there. I got that is Thai lizard, sugar apple. This is Hipólito Caimito. I bought it from Lara Farm. It flowers like crazy, but I never got fruit yet. And right behind I got the Lara Caimito, which is the house variety. And behind that one I got my Nadai sugar apple that she's fruiting right now. And that is a Locua that I planted from seed in 2020, and has given me fruit like crazy, and the fruit is delicious. I got more tomatoes in there, as you can see. And here I'm doing a project, but I have to stop because I couldn't do no more. But I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a natural pump to bring more ecosystem. I'm gonna bring you guys when I do that. So walking this way, you're gonna see that crazy tomato, that seed itself, and it's just like thriving. Look at that. It's like tomatoes everywhere. This one is a Florida 91 tomato. This one is a baby butternut squash, burrito, hot pepper. This is a yellow jabuticaba. And here in this bed that I did, I got some blueberries. I got more tomatoes. I got cilantro. I plant everything in there and everything does well. Here I got the honey butternut squash, some basil and some jalapenos. Right here I got El Grande avocado. That's our own variety. Mommy planted from seed and I grafted and it's doing well. And right here you guys can see all my container, most of my container plants. The Pharaoh is all my, shoot, I went blank in there. All my figs. In front of the figs, this is a jackfruit poppy, which is a small one. I got a couple zapatillas, Hasia and Morena here. This is a Kerry star fruit. Right here I got my Catawba grapes. I don't know if you can see. Look at the grapes. They're looking nice. So soon. I got my sugar cane, my cañaveral, like I call it. And here I got a Brandon avocado. It's been in the ground since 2019. It flowers, it fruit, but nothing happens. This one is Ceci Loaf. This is a Viejo Mamey. This is my joy and pride. This is my own graft. So I graft that one and look, it's looking good. This one is a sugar belly tangerine. It was doing really bad and it's flushing. New grew up 6 months. I thought I lost it, but no, she's back. Then this is a kosher mango that I did 4 grafts myself, and the 4 grafts took 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here is the ice cream mango, finger lime, lemon or lime. I got dancing tangerine, which is so hot. She's dropping the fruit, and we need the rain. It's been raining, but even with the rain that we're getting, it's not good enough. Right here I have my Kerry mango, flowering again in May. I don't know, you told me. Here I got some pomegranate. It's a dwarf variety. It flowers and fruit, but nothing gets to the end. This was a seed that I plant. The one up front is the ceiling. The one in the back is the Nelly mango from Mommy's that she planted in Palm Bay from seed she brought from Cuba. Here we have Julie. Right behind we have, this is a lemon. Oh my God, I totally forgot the name. I tell you in a minute. It's in semi-dwarf. Eureka. This is a Eureka lemon. This one is a Valencia orange. And as you can tell, she is loaded with orange. She got more flowers. She got more fruits. I don't know what's going on. This is my sugar loaf mango. And it dropped all the fruit, guys. And now it's completely loaded with flowers. As you can see, the little manguitos in there. So maybe we get lucky and we get some late by coconut flavored mango. This is my red jaboticaba that is flowering right now. And it's fruiting. I already ate like 3 or 4 fruit. They're delicious. This is my Peruvian mulberry from a little tiny cutting, guys, like this. I promise you. And look at this, it's a monster. Way so much fruit. This is a Barbados cherry and it's flowering right now. Right here we got the honey kiss mango. He dropped most of the fruits. I think it has like four or five hanging. This is a Persian lime. It was in the ground. It was dying. So I decided to put it in container, and it's flushing, it's flowering, and it's fruiting. Don't give up until it's time to give up. This is the P22 mango, and a lot of people say it's like a really, really good mango. Me particular, that's my mockingbird. I haven't tried the fruit, but they say it's good, so we'll see. She's holding decent amount of fruit. Right here I got the Spanish lime. It was in mommy's jar for a long time, and didn't do anything, so I decided to bring it here. It's like 10 years old, but I don't know. Here we have the guava. This is a red guava, and as you can tell, it's loaded with guavas. Every single branch, I think if it doesn't have like 50 guavas, it doesn't have one. Right here, this is my lemon zest mango. This is a ceiling of San Paulo custard apple. This is the star of the show, my kosher mango. As you can see, she is loaded. And that branch, I'm gonna have to do something about it or it's gonna break. But it's doing good. This is my blackberry, Arc Prime blackberry. This is the best blackberry you can grow. That thing is a machine. It doesn't stop. It grows, it fruits. Doesn't care if it's high, if it's cold. Look at it. We already harvest at least 20, 30 pounds of blackberries, guys, and she's still going. Right here I have my Manzano banana. Right now we have like 3 racks of bananas going. In here I got my sweetheart mango flushing, some flowers, my shampoo ginger, my passion fruit all the way in the corner that is fruiting. We got some juicy peach mango in here. This is a Seminole pumpkin. I got some flowers. I got tomatoes. I tried to do like a intensive planting, like a lot. You know, the Seminole pumpkin is gonna be a ground cover. It's gonna help with the erosion of the ground. This is a Lisa Atemoya. It's not looking too good, so we'll see what happens. This is more shampoo ginger. This is my Malika mango. It's holding 3 fruits. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Because like I told you, we lost a lot of mangoes. You see it? This is a Christmas logua. I have another logua from C. This is the elderberry, mulberry, kosher again. She's the star of the show, you know. She's just putting some serious mangoes. Here I got malanga, coconut, another custard apple from C. Here I have my compost beans, malanga, pigeon pea. This is a sugar apple that I planted from C in 2022, and look how it's looking. I got that pickering mango. It's not looking too good. Me and pickering don't have a good relationship. I'm telling you right now. I have some nice cabbage in here, as you can tell. This is an orange sherbet mango. This is cachucha pepper. I got another orange sherbet in the bag, not looking too good. This is a nun from C. And in the bag, let's make an introduction to Pozo Azul. That's one of the new varieties of mamey from Lara Farm. Here we have the Mexican sunflower. You guys know that thing goes crazy. But I chop and drop. And this is my fish. And what do you think? We got some nice fruit. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? And here is my container garden, mostly my vegetables. I have carrots, I have honey squash, I have cucumbers, I got some different peppers. This is a Murasaki pepper, small bell peppers, I got Josinator tomatoes, I got Rolete peppers, see if I can show you one right here. Look at that beauty. And Thai beans. I got more cachucha pepper over there, more tomatoes. I have some leeks. Chives is still going. We got some potatoes. We got the eggplants. La beauty. We got some bell peppers in there. We got more Murasaki pepper. We got this tomato that is so loaded, it's dying on me. I have okra, Japanese eggplants, more tomatoes, more peppers, tomatoes, peppers. And here I got some broccoli. I don't know if it's gonna make it. This is a Jocinero and this is a Catalina avocado. And here I got some anon that I throw the seeds in there. I have to transplant it. But you know, this is my food forest, and a little by a little I've been building this that you guys can see. And it's not easy. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my elderberry that is loaded with flowers and fruit. But this is my my heaven, my heaven. So go out there and do something, because I promise you nature will surprise you one day at a time. And I promise you, before you know it, you will be having beautiful things like you see right here. As always, thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'm really trying to get more subscribers and get out there. If you have any questions, I'm always here. And I love to share and to teach people and to encourage you to go and do what you want to do and don't believe what anybody says. Because if I would have believed what a lot of people told me, I wouldn't have this food forest that you guys can see right here in front of you guys. God bless you. See you guys in the next video.